Hello, my name is Andrew Marley, and I'm currently a postdoc in the Department of Pediatrics at the University of Minnesota, and it's my pleasure to discuss my article, The Association Between Citrus Consumption and Melanoma Risk in the UK Biobank, which was part of my doctoral dissertation at the Indiana University Fairbanks School of Public Health. Now, a little bit of background as to why we did this research. So, citrus products are naturally abundant, naturally rich sources of psoralen, a type of ferrochromarine with known photosensitizing and photocarcinogenic properties. Therefore, there is a biologically plausible reason to believe that high citrus consumption may be associated with an increased risk of melanoma. And that was our hypothesis going into this study, a hypothesis that had been previously explored and previously researched, but previous findings had yielded inconsistent results. So we leveraged data from the UK Biobank, which, in addition to having sufficient data for this analysis, is also a large population-based prospective cohort that was designed to be representative of the UK population. And with this data, we created a total citrus consumption variable comprised of orange juice, grapefruit juice, and satsuma intake. And we tested this variable for an association with melanoma risk. We found that after controlling for various demographic and sun exposure variables, we found that total citrus consumption was positively associated with melanoma risk. Additionally, we found that from within the total citrus consumption variable, consumption of oranges and orange juice were also independently and positively associated with melanoma risk. And furthermore, we found evidence of interaction between total citrus consumption and participant skin color. So, although we excluded all non-white or non-Caucasian participants from our analyses, we found an even greater citrus-associated melanoma risk among participants with fair or very fair skin complexion as opposed to those with an olive skin complexion. Now, my colleagues and I are very excited about this research, and we believe it to be relevant to dermatologists and to dermatology patients, not only because does our study increase knowledge of melanoma risk and photosensitivity or photocarcinogenesis, but also because upon further validation or further confirmation, we believe that these findings could serve as the empirical basis for future primary prevention efforts and risk reduction strategies. So, thank you very much for your time.